Hello, welcome MultiBrian555. I'm going to make some sounds from my computer. Here is one. One second. Well, just 1 second. There's one. Here is a recharge. Next, another recharge. This one, I don't know. Has a blaster. There's another thing. Next, I'm going to do lightsaber sounds. Here's what a lightsaber sounds like. Just 1 second. I'm just doing sounds. I'm just doing some sounds. Here's to find what I'm going to do for lightsabers. Next, I'm going on to, let's see. I know it's on here. Here it is. Stormtrooper voices.
Blast them!
This is what I'm doing. Just 1 second. Okay. Is this one?
No, we just haven't had any drills in a while.
I'm in Stormtrooper voices.
Did you see where he went? Where did he go? We've lost sight of him, sir. Blast him! There he is! Stop him!
Close that. Okay. Now I'm going to do something else. Or is it? Okay. Just 1 second again. Let's do explosions. This is me and Kangaroo's movie sounds. Just tell ya, we're gonna make some movies. Final one explosion. That is all for this MultiBrian555 review. Well, stuff. Just 1 second. There we go. That is all for this MultiBrian review. Again. And that is all.